In this very short video, I'd like to show you how you can leave comments for your personal designer directly in Figma and directly on the elements you would like your designer to change. So for example, let's say this is a design that was delivered and I would like the designer to try out a few more variations of this Live at Magic Design badge. So what I can do is I can press C on my keyboard and I can click directly on the element that I want to comment on and add a comment which would be, could you please try out 2 to 3 more variations of this badge? I don't think it stands out enough. So just as an example, then you hit enter and that is how you leave a comment. And after you've left a few comments, so maybe you also want to change the image, for example, or you want the font, try out different fonts, for example. After you've added a few, you can go to your Magic Design personal dashboard and you can click on the ticket that this design is for, where you described what you need, so where you have your design brief. And there is this comment section here. So what you can do is you can write down, hey, I left a few comments in the Figma file. Let me know if there are any questions. Thanks. And then you can just send this over to your personal designer and we'll tackle it right away. Thank you very much. I hope this was helpful and let us know if you have any other questions. Then we will tackle them in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.